Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Mel's Beauty. I'm Mel, and it's my favorite time of the month when I see boxes in my mailbox. Boxes in my mailbox. And guess what? It's FaceTory. I'm loving FaceTory more and more every month. This is like one of my favorite boxes so far. Well, it's my only face product box, so it's my only favorite box because it's my only one I get a face product. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh my gosh, I don't know where my scissors are. So we're gonna use this. So I have a question for y'all while I'm trying to open up this box. Is anybody gonna watch season 2 of 13 Reasons Why? Should I talk about 13 Reasons Why? I love that show. I love it. And I haven't watched season 2, so don't spoil it, y'all. Don't spoil it. So, as we open our box, it is sunshine, and as always, it says keep glowing. Yes, FaceTory, I will keep glowing always. Let's see. You are a sheet mask queen, and once again, it's telling you how to do face masks, which is interesting that now they including this. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I had to look it up. It said with springtime ready, here are some tips on your inside to keep green with the May for a renewed release of sheet masks. Yes. So let's go ahead and get to it because I see this yellow paper, and as we open this bright yellow paper, we will see it is May Lux 7. I love this little, love it. So the first face mask I see, I can't help but to see it. I want perfect makeup. Who don't want perfect makeup? This is cute. Makeup ready skin. I think I'm going to fall in love with this. It is poreless, soft, hydrating skin to a perfect canvas for opulent makeup appliance. Yes, it reminds me of, I'm digging in my drawer of what are they called? The 5 minutes facial mask, which also have a primer mask. This is what this reminded me of. I'm so curious about this. This is gonna be interesting. I like this. The next one I see is glowing Margaret Gold mask. It has Margaret Gold honey, which I can see is a flower, and celery for glowing and rejuvenation. Yes. It's never too early to do whatchamacallit, anti-aging. I like whatchamacallit. Hey, this is the first Korean face mask I got that's in English on the back, and I won't have to use the card. Yes. So the next one I see, it's called green tea smoothing moisturizing mask. That looks interesting. That looks so pretty. I'm not gonna want to open this. This just looks so cute. Now this one, Her Story. What? Yes, it says Her Story Aqua Sheet Mask. Mask sheet. Never mind. It say Aqua Mask Sheet. That's different. A moisturizing skin aqua system face mask. Now this one's gonna be interesting, for dry skin, since we're going into spring, and for Houston we only have 2 seasons, which is winter and summer. So I'm going to need this to hydrate because Houston heat is coming back with a vengeance. I don't have time for it, but my skin will be flawless. Ooh, this one look interesting. What is this? It has 3 steps on it. It says step 1 with bee milk. It says step 1 with bee honey milk. Step 2 effect. I have no idea. I'm not even about to say it. And it says bee. Step 3 with bee honey balm mask. So I'm gonna have honey on my face, y'all. That's gonna be an interesting sticky situation. So it's a 3-stepper. The whole thing that it says balm, and for some reason wit and bee is together. With bee honey balm mask. Like I'm about to have a balm of honey on my face. That's real, you know, convincing, since I go outside and we do have bees in Houston. That's gonna be interesting, you know, interesting factor. Ooh, we have another one that's kind of like holographic. I like this. Remind me of the Butterfly mask. This is Milky Glow Calming Moisturizing Mask. Now tell me that's not gorgeous. And the back is English too. Yes. This is, ooh. I know it ain't gonna bubble like the other mask that did that, but hey. Oh. Urban City Aqua Mask. She got it's for aquifying mask, purifying and moisturizing. Oh, they making sure we get all the moisturizer we need. Do you see it? She cute. And is this one? No, this one not in English, but I can already say it says 10 minutes. Numbers look the same. But that is it. Was that 7? Yep, that was 7 face masks. We might have to try this one together because this is interesting, very interesting. And I have a couple of more face masks I need us to try because I have a drawer full of face masks from FaceTory. FaceTory, oh my god, I need to like use all masks within a month. So that is the end of this video, end of the unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you know when my next video is up. Go ahead and hit my face right here. Hit the video right here. No, face right here, video right here. Don't forget. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit me. Go ahead and watch the next video. Bye, beauty.